The irony is that people in the cities have the water from the mountains, and people in the mountains, they don't, even they are near the source, they cannot easily access it. So in this case, they have to go down 100 meters.
It takes people here about an hour to go down and then another hour to bring up just 5 gallons of water for their consumption for the day.
Ano po, mahirap. Aakyat sa bundok para bumaba kami dito, aakyat para makatubig po kami. Tsaka magdala pa kami ng container at ibuhatin namin, dito namin ilagay.
Mahirap ang buhay dito sa Sitio Haroy. Walang tubig doon sa sa itaas sa Sitio Haroy. Dito lamang makakuha kami ng tubig.
This is a new project that we're doing for water stewardship to help in achieving the global Coca-Cola goal of returning every drop of water that we use in the beverage. This is a project that brings water from downstream up to the mountains without use of any energy, any fossil fuel or electricity. By doing this project, which is installing the ramp pump, we're able to bring the water closer to them, to a tap stand that they just walk a few meters down, fill their containers, and water is 24/7 available to them.
Coca-Cola is very dynamic. Now the water runs up and people are coming back. They are transferring the houses near the tap stands. So imagine the sudden upscaling which Coca-Cola is creating now.
Nung matanda na ako, ngayon pa ako naka-ano ng tubig na malapit na sa amin. Mag-igib na lang kami ng maliit na galon. Makatubig na po kami. Kasi pag wala ang Coke, hindi kami nakagano ng tubig. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa Coke na nabigyan kami ng tubig.
Taga dito ako, more than 60 years na. Ngayon naramdaman namin yung buhay namin na happy kami lahat. Naka-smile ka. Mayroong tubig eh. Mapasalamat ako sa Coke.
We are bringing happiness together with the community, with the Coca-Cola and with this foundation.
Water is life, no? And it's not only important to Coke but important to life, everyday living. And we realize, especially for communities like this, that water is so important and we're just glad to be here to help them.